baropodometry, positioning of the patient and acquisition technique. Static baropodometry is an exam by which we measure the ground pressure of the supporting foot while standing. The exam may be carried out either with shoes, in order to test the effects of the footwear or of the orthotic insole into it on the foot alignment, and without shoes, in order to test the real ground pressure of the bare foot.
During the acquisition phase, it is very important that the patient does not speak and keeps breathing normally in order to reduce his oscillations. After the acquisition, the operator can choose to repeat it by simply clicking the reset button.
Let us place the patient on the platform with his feet in a comfortable and unconstrained position. But anyway, it is better if between the 2 feet there is a maximum distance included between the trochanteric width and the shoulder width, and if the heels are aligned on the same plane. The patient must remain standing, relaxed, face forwards, and his arms down at the sides for the whole duration of the exam. We can proceed with the acquisition of the pressure measurements, checking only that the software completes the data collection.
An unusual and interesting application of videography during the static baropodometric analysis is the possibility to acquire some foot details in order to collect information on the geometric positioning of the foot, or to acquire some chest details in order to have qualitative information on the positioning of the upper segments.
Now we can close the acquisition and the test will be automatically saved in the database. Static baropodometry data reading. Among the main data of the static baropodometric exam, we will find the lateral-lateral load distribution, whose normal values are around 50% with a standard deviation of 3%. The antero-posterior load ratio, whose normal values are approximately 60% rear and 40% front. The pedalic surfaces, the centers of pressure rotation, the sector-based distribution of surface and load percentage.
The rotation of the centers of pressure is often directly associated to a rotation of the pelvis complex. In fact, it is just a dissimilar pressure distribution between the 2 footprints, causing a pressure overload in different points of the foot. Undoubtedly, in many cases, this dissimilar feet load is caused by rotation conditions of the upper segments. However, these should be specifically tested.